Hi, I'm Camille Barreto, founder of Me Cosmetics, where our mission is to transform self-consciousness into self-confidence. Do you have concerns about fine or thinning hair? Our Can't Stop Me Now Ultimate Coverage Scalp Foundation instantly gives the illusion of fuller and thicker hair and is truly life-changing. Today, I'll be showing you my favorite tips and tricks for flawless application of our Scalp Foundation system, which also includes our Anything Can Happen luxury foundation brush and a gentle touch microfiber towel. Can't Stop Me Now is designed with intense pigment for long-lasting performance to see you through even the busiest of days. Our Anything Can Happen luxury foundation brush is optimally designed to quickly apply even coverage that is truly undetectable, and placing the compact on a gentle touch towel will keep your counters nice and tidy. Now that we have everything set up, let's get started. It's important to make sure your hair is dry. We'll be applying by sections, so start by parting your hair down the center. First, swirl the brush in the foundation. Orient the brush so that the longest bristles are facing forward, and beginning about an inch behind the hairline, use a stippling action to apply the foundation down along the part. Second, using the remaining product on the brush, fill in the area along the hairline. To finish this section, turn the brush so that the longest bristles are facing toward the part, and use a sweeping motion to seamlessly blend the foundation with your own hair. Now that we've finished this section, repeat these same 3 steps about an inch away from your center part until you've covered the entire scalp. If you're applying the product to styled hair such as braids, you can apply these techniques to the areas between the braids. After you've finished applying the product, if any has fallen onto your forehead, simply wipe it away with a damp and gentle touch towel. As you can see, applying Scalp Foundation is so quick and easy and will give you an amazing boost of confidence for your day. Now, I wash my hair every other day, so I typically sleep with my Can't Stop Me Now applied. In order to protect against any color transfer onto my linens, I like to use black pillowcases on my bed. When you're ready to remove the foundation completely, simply shampoo your hair and it will easily wash out. Can't Stop Me Now's gorgeous illuminating coverage seamlessly blends with your own hair and has tremendous staying power. It's such a versatile product that is also perfect for quickly covering up pesky grays, concealing small bald areas such as around the temples, and filling in brows. In addition to looking and feeling your very best with Can't Stop Me Now, you're also treating your hair and scalp with nourishing ingredients such as jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, green tea leaf and red clover extracts, vitamins E and B5, and yummy peptides. And with the purchase of products from Me Cosmetics, did you know that you're also doing good for the world? A portion of all sales, including 100% of net proceeds from a gentle touch towel, are donated to the fight against human trafficking. If you have application questions, please reach out to us anytime. I hope you enjoy our products as much as we enjoy making them for you.